We have made it to Friday. You guys have been working very hard throughout the whole entire week. And today we're going to put it all together. Our I can statement today is I can use base 10 blocks to help solve addition, and this line means and, subtraction problems. Today we're going to be combining everything that we've learned this week, addition and subtraction. Yesterday you guys were working on subtraction and I saw some excellent work that you guys were doing, and today we want to combine that together. So we're going to start today's lesson with our formula. We'll start off with our addition formula. When we go to do addition, the formula that we use is part plus part equals whole. When we do our addition, our steps are the following. 1, we identify our tens. 2, we draw them. 3, we combine. And 4, solve and check. Those are our steps for addition. So we're going to do an example problem now. If I have 40 plus 50, I want to figure out what this equals. I'm going to use my steps to help me solve. My first step is identify our tens. So I will identify my tens by knowing that there are how many tens in the number 40? Yes, 4 tens in the number 40. How many tens in the number 50? 5 tens in the number 50. Number 2 tells me to draw. So I'm going to draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, how many tens here? Yes, 5 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I identify our tens? I did identify our tens. Perfect. Did we draw our tens? Our base 10 blocks? Yes, I see base 10 blocks up there. Now number 3 tells me to combine them. So the way that I will combine them is I'm going to count all of this together. So let's count it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Am I going to start at 10 again here? No, I will continue going. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. When I combine them together, now I can solve it, and I know that 40 plus 50 is 90. Am I done there? No, because even though I solved it, now I want to check just to make sure that my answer is correct. So I know that I should have how many tens all together? Yes, 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens equals 90. Those are our steps for addition. Go over it one more time. If you need to stop, come back and rewind, go ahead. But our steps for addition is identify our tens. After we identify our tens, we draw our tens. Then we combine our tens. And last, we solve and check. But our I can statement today says I can use base 10 blocks to help solve addition. We solved addition. And now we need to do, yes, subtraction. Okay, my friends, we did our steps for addition. Now we're going to move on to subtraction. When we're doing subtraction, my formula for subtraction, or the way that we solve for subtraction, is the whole minus the part equals the difference. So now let's go over our steps. If you remember from yesterday, step number 1 was what? Same thing. Identify the tens. Step number 2 was the same as well. Draw the base 10 block. Step number 3 is where it got a little different. Step number 3 is what? Yes, I'm going to use the first number or the second number? Yes, the second number to X some tens out. And my last step was same thing. Solve and check. Okay, we're going to do an example together. Looking at our board, we're going to go through our steps and see if we can solve this the correct way. So I'm going to do 80 minus 30. And what is that going to equal? Well, let's go through our steps before we jump in. Step number 1 is identify the tens. In the number 80, I have 8 tens. In the number 30, I have 3 tens. Step number 2 tells me draw the base 10 blocks. For the number 80, I'm going to put 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it tells me use the second number, so that 30, to X some tens out. Do I know how many tens I should X out? Yes, because we already identified that 30 has 3 tens. So I'm going to come and X 3 tens out. 1, 2, and 3. And my last step is solve and check. So now I'm going to solve it. How many are left? What is the difference? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now I want to check my work to make sure that 50 is correct. 50 tells me that I should have 5 tens that do not have X's on them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget that when you see the subtraction sign, you are going to X it out. If you see the subtraction sign or the minus sign, you X it out. If you see the plus sign, you draw more. Subtraction, the number becomes smaller. Addition, the number becomes greater. You guys are going to crush it today. I'm so proud of all the friends that were able to turn in their work this week. Keep up the excellent job that you guys are doing. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. And let's end this math work on a positive note so that we can enjoy our weekend. Good luck, guys.